Greetings, opportunists of Crypto Broker Academy. Today, I wanted to provide you guys an in-depth back office tutorial specifically of your coveted and very rare Brokers tab. Treat that with great honor and importance, as you are amongst the rare and few that will ever be crypto GX brokers and be able to take the crypto world and bring in the rest of the world by setting up your own toll booth and earning ongoing revenue on the life of any customer, clients, business partners, companies, or brokers that you onboard into your own brokerage. So let's open up this tab right here, which again, free customers do not have unless and until they stake 1000 GX tokens. So if you click the word broker, it brings you to your brokerage at a glance, which as you can see in this case, it has 161 users, of which 89 are brokers, of which 72 are customers, and 39 are direct signups. And then you have your links here. This right here is your main referral link. This right here, you can customize this link by inputting a username. So if I put Salcon Empire and then hit submit, this will be a shortened link of the larger middle link. So as you can see, now this is the equivalent of this. Or you could use another domain name to mask that. And this link right here is your OTCDesk, where people can buy crypto with credit and debit card, which they're going to soon integrate into the back office of the customer. So this is your sign up links. And once they sign up, if they wish to fund with credit debit card, then they will need this link from you. Second option is if you click this little downwards arrow, you will see that the OTCDesk, which is a very helpful one, the main part of your income stream, which is what most people will utilize this platform for as a customer, is to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, as you can see, the current spot price of Bitcoin is this. My fee on my brokerage that I've set is 3%. And as you can see, that's the 3% of this amount. And thus now the new total is right there. And that is what my customers would be paying. Now you can easily adjust this. Let's say you wanted to make it 5%, or you can change that, and soon it will, all the numbers will be calculated to the respective percentages and the specific numbers. And down here, as you can see, this is increased accordingly. I don't want to charge 5%. I will stick to my 3%. And as you can see, it'll go from 374 to now, or back to what it was previously, and 224 on a whole Bitcoin. Now, the other one, which is your selling fee, is when people wish to go from Bitcoin to some fiat currency. It could be US dollars, and soon it'll be other currencies, international currencies. That you can set as a different price, different percentage than the first one. And people tend to actually put the selling price slightly higher because it is more difficult to sell and convert crypto into fiat. So I've seen people put this 50% to 100% higher than the fee to purchase. So, but that's completely up to you. You can set it anywhere from 0 to 100%. I would not think that 100% is wise, but you have that option. The third option here is your GX broker statement. This is like your bank statement of earnings. Over here will be your total earnings thus far. And as you dive in, you have your dates, you have your customer names and the time at which they have made the purchase. You have the type of transaction that it was. And here, as you can see, most common is token type, because the tokens, as a broker, you can sell the tokens, you can sell OTC. And the third option, which is the digital commissions, which are from buying or converting one crypto to another, the trading is going to be fully unveiled once the trading platform is fully operational. And so predominantly you're going to see token sales. Over here you have commission type. Now this is interesting. This is the exact category of commission that you have received. So BDR is broker dealer revenue. There are brokers, and then there are broker dealers, which is the other type of broker, which gives you a undiluted infinite compensation plan. That's the one that I've opted in for. But as you can see, it shows you the details of what that commission was and what my running balance is, like an actual bank statement. Over here you have DTR, which is direct transactional revenue, and then broker dealer revenue. And there will also be an indirect revenue somewhere here. You can have indirect revenues as you go, like indirect revenues. Now, what I want to cover with you guys is a few very, very important things. We'll use an example of an OTC transaction, such as this one right here. So as we can see, this was done on the October 27th. It was an OTC transaction. It was direct transactional revenue plus broker dealer revenue, and that was of $7.20. And if we click view, we see all the details of that transaction, such as who the direct broker was, who the direct broker dealer was, as they get a fixed override on all transactions throughout their entire brokerage, the amount of crypto that was bought, the type of crypto that was bought, the dollar equivalence of it, the fee that was set by the direct broker, which in this case was me, and remember I set mine at 3%, thus 3% of 300 is $9, and thus we see the $9 transaction fee, of which 70% of that transaction fee goes to the direct broker, which 70% is $6.30. So normal brokers would be earning $6.30, but if you're a broker dealer, you have an additional revenue that you get as a part of being a broker dealer, and that compensation structure is a bit enhanced. So as a broker dealer, you have an unlimited 10% override, which that is an extra 90 cents. So 90 cents plus the $6.30 equates to a total of $7.20. So that gives you an entire breakdown of one OTC transaction, of which, of course, token sales are the most profitable and they're the most common, especially right now, especially if you know other crypto enthusiasts that would love to open up their own crypto brokerage and be able to get onboard their clients, customers, friends, businesses, business partners, and of course other companies and other brokers. So that will be the most common, and that will be the one that rewards you the most handsomely. Also on the GX broker statement page, you have the withdraw option. If you click there, as you can see, not only the past history of your withdrawals, but the withdraw button, that you have these options to make your withdrawal. You can convert your earnings to GXT and get a 15% increase. So if you're buying $1,000 worth of GX tokens, you would get $1,150, which is a nice bonus, nice incentive to load up on these tokens. And that's why I think many people will buy a lot more than 1,000. You can convert your earnings into Ethereum. You can bank wire them to any bank in the world. You can transfer them into the form of Bitcoin and then do whatever you wish with them, or you could hold it in your vault account in your GX Nitrous as your US dollar or any of the international fiat currencies. So that's also a wonderful feature that they've added. Let's dive into the third option of the broker tab, which is your customer base. This will give all of the details of every customer that you have, both direct and indirect, as you can see the type, as you can see the country that they're in, the email address, their sign up date, and of course their name. So you can explore that and see the long list of people that have signed up as brokers throughout your entire brokerage. So that is fun to keep a tab on. And that about covers all the functionalities of the brokers tab, which again, extremely rare that people will have this. If you are one of the rare and few, realize that you have now turned your crypto wallet into, or your crypto platform into your business, and you can actually create ongoing revenue streams, and that gives you a detailed breakdown of the analytics that you have to run your business, to run your brokerage. And soon there will be more metrics, more tools, and more marketing content and ease of distributing your platform to the rest of the world to get more and more clients, so that you can build a larger and larger upfront and residual income stream. Hopefully this has been helpful in your understanding of the power of your crypto GX brokerage, and I'll catch you on the very next tutorial on the Crypto Broker Academy.